Hey everyone! Welcome to part 21 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we dive into Python Arrays and NumPy Arrays. Explore the key differences between lists and arrays, reshape arrays with different dimensions, and learn how to convert lists into arrays seamlessly. Let's get started.
You know how to check the Python version? In general, like how to check the Python version and NumPy version. I'll show you how to check the Python version. I did not show this. Even NumPy version is very important. Like when you are dealing with different things and machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and NLP, your versions are very important. Okay? You'll understand when you go through that project, sir. Like even if I say something now, you won't be able to understand them. What is the need of this version? So you'll understand at that time. While you are dealing with different projects in computer vision, you'll understand. Okay. How to check the Python version? How to check it? From where you'll check it? You have a platform. Okay. You have a machine learning library platform. From here, you'll check it. Platform import Python version. You have C here, Python branch, Python build compiler, okay, revision version. Okay, just type this Python version and check it out. It's 3.1.2. Okay, 3.1 to 3.10.2 version. Similarly, how to check NumPy version? To check the NumPy version, now today we are dealing with NumPy only. Okay, till now previously we are done with the different topics on Python. And now this NumPy, like even list, tuple, dictionary sets are very important. Okay, if you can understand list only, then only you will be able to understand this NumPy. And make sure that make a short note on list topics like list, sets, tuple, and dictionary. I have given different methods in that, right? Make a short note of that, like when to use append, when to use extend. Okay, sort function. Different things what I gave you, make a short note of that. Okay. Next, how to check NumPy version. How you'll check it? Simple. Before to check the NumPy version, you need to import the NumPy module. Okay. After this, just simply np.version. Okay. Here you'll get if you type 1.2.4 NumPy version is. Similarly, you can check for different pandas or whatever you are installing, right? You need to check this way. Initially, we are entering into data science library. Like this is very important for data science. NumPy is very important. Okay. What is the use of NumPy? Okay, why we are using NumPy? We have list why to use NumPy. When you go through that C language, you cannot handle with the C or Java language. You cannot handle with multi-dimensional arrays. But here, by using Python, easily you can handle multi-dimensional arrays, and you can easily manipulate. Like if you want to write a code for multiplication in C language or Java, it will be like you need to write a big code, like 20 to 30 lines of script you need to write. But here within 2 to 3 lines, you can write the script. Okay, we have everything inbuilt functions in this NumPy. Okay, and when we are talking about this NumPy, what is the difference between list and just ping in chat? What is the difference between list and array, NumPy array? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between list and NumPy array? Type in the chat if you know the answer. Different types of elements stored in list. Okay. Array is a collection of. Mostly we'll be talking about data types on that. Okay. In arrays, only one data type. Yeah. Okay. Array is a collection of similar data type. Okay. When you talk about array, it is a collection of similar data type. Whereas if you take list is a collection of, here you'll be taking different, right? Different data types. Okay. Array is a collection of similar data type and list is a collection of different data types. Okay. You can take multiple data types. Okay. So if I give an array, see here, if you take list, okay, here I'll give one comma two comma some are I'm taking multiple things. You know this is list, right? If you type this as a, see you'll get this way. Okay. And now if you convert this into array, what will happen? You can convert a list into array, but only when you have what? You can convert list to array in any format. Like if you are taking this format, what will be the data type? Can anyone tell me? What might be the data type if you convert this list into array? Is it possible to convert or it cannot convert? Why? Because as we are like array is collection of similar data type, list is a collection of different data types. Can we convert? Yeah, it comes into string. Even 1, 2 will convert into string actually. If you convert it into NumPy. See, nb.array, if I'm taking this, I'll take a. See, now see, you can see 1, 2, before it was number and it's converted to string. Okay, notice this. If you are having at least one character like this, then whole list will become string. Okay, string format. Okay, clear, right? This part. You are understanding this, right? Make sure while you are giving some list, like if you want to convert some list to array, you need to have the, like either if you want to convert number to array, you should not have any character values in that. Okay. And even you can take multiple examples for this. Okay. And how to check it is what type of data type it is. How you'll check like 1, 2 and R you have, right? How to check the data type. Similarly, by using for loop, you can check like a element data type I want to check. Okay, for I and B, this is membership operator. As we have discussed about this, all these loops and all. Okay, what I'm taking here, everything you'll have idea if you follow the classes properly. Okay, and if I take print of like I want to check what type of data like I and type of I. See, one is string, two is string, and R is also string. Everything NumPy string you are getting. Why? Because if one like always remember one thing, NumPy will always have similar data type. So even if you take multiple data types, it will convert into similar data type. Okay. Whereas if you take list, same code, this is for list elements. This is for NumPy elements, right? This I'm using for NumPy elements. Similarly, I'm using this code for list elements before converting into NumPy. Okay, how we are getting it? See now, it is integer string. Okay, this is a difference when you convert a list into NumPy. Okay, and how to convert a list into array? You are getting it right? Converting. Just I'll make a note so that you can understand what we are doing. Okay, converting a list into array or NumPy array. What you are doing here easily. I'll make a note of all these things. Why? Because it will help you in future when you are recapping everything. Okay. I'll take 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 like this. Okay. Now convert this list into NumPy. Just you need to do n is equal to np dot. What do you need to do? Here what we have done to convert it. np dot array. Okay. np dot array to convert a list into array. You can now see you'll get this way. This is a format of array. Here you can see it is coming in array. Okay, even here also you'll get it in array. But here, what is the data type easily you can understand. Okay, clear, right? This part. And how to check the dimensions of the array. Can anyone know what is, okay, before that, this is clear, right? And while you are dealing with some data frames, like upcoming session, I'll explain you regarding the data frame, how to take that data frame and all. So here, how many elements you have here? This you can check by using length. Okay, length you can use to check the length of list or length of n. You can wait. Okay, you are getting six. Okay, you have six elements, and you can also use shape. Okay, if it is a multi-dimensional array, you need to get the rows and columns, right? How many rows you have, how many columns you have. Multi-dimensional array means just remember matrix. Okay, whenever I'm telling something about multi-dimensional array, you need to get a example, like take an example of matrix. Okay, in matrix you'll be having multiple columns and multiple rows. Okay, so here same n dot shape. If I'm taking here, you'll be getting 6 comma, like nothing you are having means it is a one dimensional. Okay, similarly we'll discuss with different things. Multi-dimensional examples also I'll give you. Okay, after upcoming sessions I'll give you. And if you want to know what is the data type of the whole array, whole NumPy array, okay, data type of NumPy array, how to check it? It's very simple. Here we have n, right? N dot d type. Even for elements, I'm doing the same thing. Okay, it is integer 32. Okay, here also, while I was checking with list elements, while I was checking with NumPy elements, I'm using the same. Here I'm using, but here we need to use d type. Even for data frame 2, you need to use d type only. When you are taking the data frame, you need to take the same d type. Okay, you need to remember all these things. Like it's like you won't be able to get it until and unless you practice multiple examples. My class won't be sufficient for you. Just keep on go with different examples. Then only you can get some perfection in this. Okay. For example, let me create an array. Okay. Let me create an array. Like array one now. Okay. nb dot array. Here I'll take some list element, some 1 comma 2 like that. And another array I will take. Okay. nb dot array. I'll take some 3 comma 4. Okay. Now see, we'll go with the multiplication of arrays. Arrays. Okay. Multiplication of arrays. How you'll get multiplication of arrays? Okay. If you want to know how to do the multiplication of array, okay, go with some theory part. How we need to do with how we'll deal with matrices. Okay. Refer a video in YouTube. Okay, you'll be having multiple things in YouTube. If you don't know multiplication of array, okay, refer a video on YouTube. How you'll get the multiplication of matrices. How you'll get it. Okay, here I'll just show you how we can code by using Python. But internally, what is happening here? If you want to know, you can go with one of the video. Okay, so you are getting this way 3 comma 8. Still, like how we are getting this, if you have such doubt, you go with one video in the YouTube, matrix multiplication. After this class, you can go with one video, make a note and cover that video. You'll understand at the time. Okay. This is multiplication. Similarly, addition you can do. Okay. How this addition works is array 1 plus array 2, 4 comma 6. Okay. And if you take this code, like if you want to perform this operations in C language, you need to write a script, like 20 to 30 line script you need to write there. Okay, as number of dimension increases, your script increases. But here your code will be same. Code will not change. Even if you have multi-dimensional array, your code will be same. It's normal, like how we do the multiplication, it's same like that only. Okay. And dimensions of the array. Like what is the dimensions of the array? It is a one-dimensional array. Okay, how I'm telling you that it's a one-dimensional array. Okay, you know what is dimensions of the array, right? If you are from the science background and if you are from MPC background, easily you can understand this sort of terminology. Okay, dimension of the array. Here we use ndim. Okay, ndim. For array, we'll use the ndim to know the dimension. Okay, we have already array, right? We have declared an array 1. Okay, here I'll use the same one. Array 1, it is one-dimensional array actually. Okay, getting it right? It is a one-dimensional array. Okay, in this way you can use and previously I have explained you how to take the input values, right? Do you remember that part, like how to take multiple values, how to take input from the keyboard? How you can take for list, sets, tuple. I have shown you how to take in key values from the keyboard. I'll give one example. Okay, list of, okay, map of hint comma input dot split. Okay, here you can take multiple values. In this way you can get it. Yeah, yeah, input. This is like make sure remember this part. This will be helpful in upcoming coding part. Coding part, this is very important. Okay, again I'm telling you this part and I'll show you another example, list comprehension also. Input from keyboard. Okay, by using list comprehension, you can do it same. Like L2, I'll take some X. What is this X? We have a discussion. Okay, I have explained you this part. Okay, everything I explained in the previous class. Once go through the recordings. Even this way you can give the elements, but difference is like here you are giving integers, here you are getting strings. To convert them in string format, just give hint of here. Okay, in this way you can convert. This is a two methods you can use. Okay, to take input from the keyboard. Okay, you can, I'll mention this is method 1, and here method 2. You can use anything. Okay, whatever you are comfortable with, you can use them. Okay, next, this is related to how we are taking input from the keyboard. Okay, next I have already shown you, if you take list of some generator. Okay, I want some values from 1 to 20. You'll get 1 to 19 actually. You'll get this way. Okay, by using generator. This all things you need to just make sure, like you need to remember this all things. How I'm creating with list, in the same way you can create with NumPy array. Okay, either you convert this list into NumPy array or directly you can take the generator in it. Okay, range of 1 to 21 now. You get this way. Either you can give this list into this NumPy array. At that time, typecasting will take place, or else directly you can give the values. Okay, you can directly give the values instead of typecasting. Even you can do this. Clear, right? This one. And same, even when we are dealing with list, how range works. You know how this range works, right? Okay, even tuple of range you can take. However, anything list you can take, NumPy you can take, and even you can take tuple also. Everything is same. Like just you are changing the data type here. Okay, this list is a data type, array is a data type, tuple is a data type. Everything is data type only. Okay, how many different data types we have? List, tuple, boolean. Okay, float values, string, and here array is also one data type. Dictionary sets. All these are data types, and from the beginning class, in the first class only, I explained you what all the different data types we have. Okay, and once go through the course curriculum, I have shared you one course curriculum, right? And you'll be having different topics in that. If you feel that I did not complete any topic, you can ping me regarding the topic. Mostly, even if you want me to explain some other topic, new topic also, you can ping me. Share the topic with me. I'll explain to you. Okay. And don't refer to the recordings all the time. So many are just waiting for the recording, but it won't be useful for you if you are only waiting for the recording. I guess there will be no use actually. You are paying money and you are not attending the live session. At least I'm not even getting 30%, like out of the whole members and type. Everything is data type only. Okay. How many different data types we have? List, tuple, boolean. Okay. Float values, string, and here array is also one data type. Dictionary sets. All these are data types. And from the beginning class, in the first class only, I explained you what all the different data types we have. Okay, and once go through the course curriculum, I have shared you one course curriculum, right? And you'll be having different topics in that. If you feel that I did not complete any topic, you can ping me regarding the topic. Mostly, even if you want me to explain some other topic, new topic also, you can ping me. Share the topic with me. I'll explain to you. Okay. And don't refer to the recordings all the time. So many are just waiting for the recording, but it won't be useful for you if you are only waiting for the recording. I guess there will be no use actually. You are paying money and you are not attending the live session. At least I'm not even getting 30%, like out of the whole members, I'm not even getting 30 members who is attending the class. Everyone are taking recordings. Okay. You know how this range works, everyone know, right? How this range works. Here you'll have start, okay, stop, and you have end. This is how this range will work. Okay. Range of start, here comma you'll give. Stop, and sorry, s- start, stop, and step. It's not end. It's stop, stop, and step it is, not end, step. Okay. This is how you'll take the range function actually. What you have in that range, range of this values will take. By default, your step will be 0. Okay. By default, your step will be 0. If you want, you can take any step. Like I'll show you, see here, tuple or anything. I'll take 2 steps or 3 steps here directly, comma 2. You can see how it is taking 2 steps, right? Next, reshaping your array. Like I'll take one array and I'll reshape it. Okay. Before that, we need to create an array. Reshaping means you are converting into some multi-dimensional or whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay. Same like matrices also you can convert. Before that, I'll take an array. Okay. Same np dot array. In this, I'll take a range of some 1 to 10. I'll take 1 to 10 elements. I'll take. Okay. Now, if you type this array, you'll get this 1 to 9 elements. Okay. Almost you have 1 to 9 elements here. I'll convert this into 3 cross 3. Like 3 threes are 9 you'll have, right? 3 columns and 3 rows are. 3 cross 3 you can get 9 elements. I want to convert this into 3 cross 3. Okay. 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. How you can use it? How you can convert it? By using reshape. Okay. By using this reshape, you can convert this array. Okay. Into your like however you want to convert, you can convert that way. Array dot just you can use reshape. Okay. I'll take 3 comma 3. You'll get this way. Okay. You need to copy directly. You cannot do it. You need to copy. Then only it will change. Otherwise, it will not change. Okay. You need to copy again in one of the variable. Then only you can change. Okay. Now, what is the dimensions? Can anyone tell me what will be the array dimensions? Array dot end. We have dimensions, right? It is dimension is 2 here. Okay. Here in this like this is one dimension. These all are one dimension and outer you have another dimension. Okay. This is how that's what I'm telling you multi-dimensional arrays. When you are taking an image and when you are doing some pre-processing, you'll get a multi-dimensional vector image, vector array. There will be having multi-dimensional actually. And you have so many applications with this NumPy. Okay, when if you step into this data science, you'll understand what are the different applications you have in this array by using this array. Mostly we will not use this thing also. We'll not use list also. In most of the cases, we'll use array only. Even while creating some web application, there also will use this array only. Okay. Next, you can create however like how many dimensions you want, you can create it. Even here, I can create one more dimensions also. Okay, here this I can convert into some another dimensions also. If I want, I can convert. If you want me to show, I'll show you like how to convert it. Okay, it's not required actually. Yeah. Okay, you let me show you one code. Fine. I'll show you this part. I'll convert this into 3 dimensions now. Okay. See, A is equal to one more dimension I'm giving inside it. Okay, I'm giving one more dimension. Now see how we'll get it if you give this. Just see now, I'm taking A. Okay, just A dot. You need to convert this A into. It's in a list format. It's in a list format. Convert into NumPy. Okay, np dot array A. Okay, now A dot n dimensional. You'll get 3. Previous it was 2. I have added one more square here at the end. Now it is getting to 3 dimensional. Okay. Got it right? How to convert a 2 dimensional array to 3 dimensional array. This structure you need to understand. You need to go with multiple examples. In one class, I cannot show all the different types of dimensions, right? Explore different types of examples for this. Okay. And after 4 minutes, meeting is going to end. Join with the same link. Okay. And next, even within a single line of code, you can convert into different dimensions. Okay, I'll show you. No need to take everything separately. Within a single line, you can convert everything. range of 20. Okay. Here this I want to reshape. Reshape into 20 means 4 cross 5 you can get. Right? 4 cross 5. So you'll get array this way. Okay. Even 5 cross row you can take, or anything you can take however you want. With 20 elements you can create anything, right? 5 cross 4 also. You'll be getting 5 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Initially first is a column and second is row. Sorry, first one is row and second one is column. Okay. Row and column. Okay. This part is row and column. Remember that part. 4 rows and 5 columns. Here you can see 5 columns. Okay. Similarly, here you are giving same. We have rows and columns. Okay. Here also same. Row and column. 5 and 4. You can get it right. 5 rows and 4 columns. Okay. And what is type of this? Like if I copy this into one of the example, you always get the array only. Okay. How to check it? A dot D type. Make sure remember this thing. D type or D types both will work. It's not working. Go with the D type only. In pandas you'll get it. In pandas you can use D types also. Clear? This part is clear, right, everyone? You're understanding, right? What is array? What we can do with array? You're getting it, right? Everything. Okay. Next, I want to deal with how to transpose. Like mostly, if you are done dealing with matrices, you'll feel comfortable to understand this NumPy. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand. My suggestion, if you are not familiar with this matrices, like there might be some non-technical background people also, right? It's better you can go with some max, like go with a YouTube channel, one of the YouTube channel for this. Okay, refer one YouTube channel for matrices. It will help you if you go that way.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these array concepts and explore how NumPy can simplify your data handling tasks. Stay tuned for part 22. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Classics Technologies.